Is your iPhone freezing, acting glitchy, or are you getting ready to sell it? Don't panic. Today I'm showing you exactly how to reset any iPhone in just a few simple steps. I'm going to walk you through two different methods. The first is a quick trick that fixes 99% of crashes without deleting any of your photos or apps. But make sure you stick around for the second method, because if you're planning to sell or give your phone away, missing that step could leave all your personal data exposed. Let's dive in. Method number 1. First up is the forced restart. Think of this as a quick jumpstart for your phone. It forcefully reboots the system, which clears out most bugs but keeps all your data perfectly safe. Here's exactly how to do it. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side power button. Keep holding that power button. If your phone was frozen, the screen will suddenly go black. Don't let go until you see the Apple logo pop up. Once that logo appears, release the button. Your phone will start back up, and hopefully whatever problem you were having is completely gone. Now, what if your phone is still acting up, or you want a totally fresh start to sell it? That's where the full factory reset comes in. Warning, this will erase everything on your phone. So before we do this, back up your data. Go to Settings, tap on your name at the top, select iCloud, and then tap iCloud Backup and hit Backup Now. Method number 2. Once your photos and contacts are safely backed up to the cloud on your computer, we can wipe the phone clean. Go back to the main settings menu and scroll down to General. Scroll all the way to the bottom and tap Transfer Reset iPhone. At the very bottom, tap Erase All Content and Settings. Apple will show you a screen detailing exactly what is going to be removed. Read this over, and if you're ready, hit Continue. You'll need to enter your iPhone passcode. It might ask you one last time to upload data to iCloud. If you already backed it up, just tap Erase anyway. Finally, type in your Apple ID password to turn off activation lock and hit Turn Off. The process will now begin. You'll see a white progress bar across your screen. All you have to do is wait. The phone might restart a couple times, but once you see that classic hello screen, you have successfully factory reset your iPhone. It is now a complete blank slate. Ever wonder how to turn off location without someone knowing on your iPhone? Check this video out now.